Hi y'all, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make trophy display shelf in the golden ways. So check it out.
First of all is 3D simulation design. In here I will simulate what the last product appearance will be. The next is soft grind to remove the small wood fiber that sticks in the surface. Next is cut the wood planks to the fit size. To smooth the edge surface, we will grind it using hand grinder. And to know the minimum resistance of the yellow LED, we will count it using the Ohm's law. After we got the minimum resistance, we will now solder the circuit into the board. And now we will install off the board, and in here there's two methods. First is just drill the screw directly, or you can use L connectors to connect the board. Since there's a gap in between the boards, so we can use glue gun to close the gap, while also stick the board in the other hand. And to make it better, we can use varnish to darken the wood color. And when applying varnish, don't apply too much at once because it will create bubbles. So I suggest you to apply thin but more than once instead. lastly, install the cabinet bracket for the shelf to hang on. Thank you for watching, and if you want to know more about our project, you can follow our Instagram at Golden Trees, or also you can follow my personal Instagram at Leonardo Leo Lee.